Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use glutathione powder. Glutathione is a vital antioxidant, crucial for maintaining your body's health and detoxification processes. It plays a key role in protecting your cells from oxidative stress and supporting a robust immune system. To start, always consult the specific instructions provided on your glutathione powder product label. This ensures you are following the manufacturer's guidelines for safe and effective use, maximizing your benefits. Determining your ideal dose is important. Many people begin with a daily intake of around 250 milligrams. You might gradually increase this to 500 milligrams, or even up to 1,000 milligrams, based on your individual needs and how your body responds. To prepare, simply mix your measured dose of powder into 8 to 12 ounces of water, juice, or your favorite smoothie. Stir it well until the powder is completely dissolved for easy consumption. For optimal absorption, it is generally recommended to take glutathione powder on an empty stomach. Many individuals find that consuming it first thing in the morning, or perhaps between meals, yields the best results. Establishing a consistent routine is crucial for maximizing its benefits. Aim to take your dose at approximately the same time every day to support your body's antioxidant defenses continuously and effectively. Proper storage is essential to preserve the quality of your glutathione powder. Always keep the container in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and excessive heat. Ensure the lid is tightly sealed after each use to prevent moisture and air exposure, which can degrade the product. Before incorporating any new supplement into your routine, it is always wise to consult with a qualified healthcare professional to ensure it is appropriate for your specific health needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.